Hey guys, what's going on? Walter Roby here from the Los Angeles area. I just want to give a big shout out and a big thank you to Tom Kroll, Cody Hoffline, Brent Daniels, Bill Rappner, and everyone else on the Wholesaling Inc. Community. I'm so glad I gave you guys a phone call. I work a full-time job. I live in a hot LA market. There's so much competition. I just needed someone who understood where I'm coming from, how I need to get to from point A to point B, and starting at where I'm at, it is very hard. So I needed a wholesaling group, or I need a real estate investing group that can help me, build a business that puts cash in my pocket and also gives value to those around me, and something that I can scale where I don't need to be in it like 10 or 8 hours a day. I can only work on it like a couple hours a day if I want to, and still have something very successful to date. I've gotten 2 deals, and I have 2 more coming under contract that are going to be some pretty good payoffs. And I've only been in the tribe for about 3 months now. So, I'm very happy, very blessed that I joined the tribe, took the leap, got uncomfortable. And I suggest, give other groups, wholesaling groups, a try if that's what you really want to do. I would say test out like 3 or 4 of them. I did. I found that this is hands down the best one, and hands down the one that led me to get results for myself. And really, it could help anyone get results as long as you just take their word, apply what they tell you, and that's all there is to it. Once again, big shout out and a big thanks. I would recommend everyone book a call with Cody, Tom, Brent, Bill Rappner, all those guys, because they can really help you change your life, and they've done for myself. So yeah, once again, thanks guys, and look forward to seeing you soon. Thanks.